Hello everyone, it's Catherine from my hillside garden with another Fast Food Friday. Now, sometimes fast food means get it quick on the table. Other times fast food means make the meal and get on with what you need to do. So we're using our slow cooker today. This is a West Bend slow cooker. The pan sits on a little griddle. It gets nice and hot, and to me, it works a little bit quicker and hotter than a plain crock pot. What I did was I had some ground beef and I browned that off. Took me 3 minutes. Now, because I had all these things in my pantry, I could put this meal together really quick. And I had to change my mind halfway through. I wanted to make stuffed peppers tonight for dinner, and I don't have any peppers, and they're too expensive in the store right now. But I have the little mix of peppers that I dehydrated, so we're going to use some of those, and we're going to have ziti with meat sauce tonight. I've never done noodles in the crock pot before or the slow cooker, so it's going to be a little bit of a hit or miss maybe. We'll see how it comes out. Let me get the ground beef put in the pan. This is 1 pound of 96.4. When ground meat is on sale for a good price, I buy some, and generally I will brown it first to make meals even quicker, but I didn't have time the last time I bought some. So I just like to brown it off a little bit. It's still a little bit pink, but at least the little bit of fat and moisture that I get out of it goes in that pan. So we're going to put canned mushrooms. Remember, you watched me do these, so let's get these open. We'll get these open. There's our nice sound. We're going to take a look. Smell, they smell wonderful. I'm going to add the liquid from this because we have the noodles going in. So we want to be sure there's enough liquid in this dinner tonight. So there's that. Then we're going to add some of our wonderful dried celery, peppers, and onions. And I think I'm going to leave them pretty much whole when I put them in there. I'm not going to crush them up. We're just going to put about 2 handfuls in there. Oh, this smells wonderful. Wow. You really have to try doing some of that. That really smells like a good mix. Then I'm also going to add some onions just on their own. Maybe not quite a handful. These came out lovely as well. These I'm going to crush up a little bit. Okay, got those in there. It's a nice thing about having a stocked pantry. You can put a meal together really quick. These are Italian spiced tomatoes that I made in August of 2017. Remember last year my tomato harvest was horrible. There's our sound. Looks good. And they smell wonderful. So let's put those in there. So I don't need to add really any other seasoning into this meal. I have 1 cup of the mini penne noodles. We're going to put them in there. And then I do have some tomato sauce that's in the fridge. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add that in there. And I'm going to put a little bit of water, maybe 1/4 cup of water in here. This is how we extend our tomato sauce. And like I said, since we have the noodles in here, so we're going to pour that in on top. And look at that. That, with recording, has taken me less than 5 minutes to do. So now we're going to cook it for 3 to 4 hours, low in a crock pot, or there are numbers on this one. I'll probably put it on number 3, which I think is pretty much the middle. And keep an eye on it, and I will bring you back when it's done. So see, Fast Food Friday, it can be quick, and now I can get on with what I need to do at the house while dinner cooks and I don't have to do a thing. It's been 3.5 hours and this is looking and smelling very good. So let me get some up on the dish and we'll have a taste test. Okay, I just wanted to show you. I thought this was really good. Look at how nice those peppers plumped up. So I am so pleased that I had the chance to use some of those dehydrated peppers and onions I did. Beautiful color on them. So it's a little bit hot. And here, let's get a mushroom, a pepper, some meat, and I'll tell you how the noodles went. I think they came out pretty good, to be honest. Perfect. Ooh, excuse me. Wow. The noodles are just perfect. I bet if they went a little bit longer, they'd be on the soggy side. They're really nice. So, I hope you enjoyed today's Fast Food Friday. Didn't take a lot of time to actually make it and put it in the crock pot. Crock pot is your friend. Let me tell you, busy families, busy things going on in your life, crock pot can really help you get through the day. So, thank you for joining me today. I hope you'll give me a thumbs up and that you've subscribed to my channel. There's lots of things going on that I hope you'll enjoy. I do some cooking. I'm doing a new skill for a new year, which is learning to preserve my food from the garden for long-term storage and also to cook with it. So have a great night.